Welcome to this comparison video of Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System and TP-Link Deco AX3000. In this video, we will evaluate each product in separate categories and help you decide which one suits your needs the best. If you find this video helpful, like it, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When it comes to performance, both products are strong contenders. However, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System has a higher speed of up to 3 gigabits per second and is capable of maintaining speed even with multiple devices connected. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco AX3000 supports next-gen Wi-Fi 6 AX3000, but its speed is comparatively lower. Therefore, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System is the winner in this category. When it comes to coverage, both products offer good range, but Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System covers up to 5,000 square feet, while TP-Link Deco AX3000 covers up to 4,500 square feet. Moreover, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System eliminates Wi-Fi dead zones and buffering, while TP-Link Deco AX3000 can eliminate weak Wi-Fi signals. However, when comparing the coverage, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System offers a more consistent and better range. Therefore, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System is the winner in this category. Both products offer advanced security measures to keep your devices safe. Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System offers a 30-day free trial of Netgear Armor to protect your family's Wi-Fi with an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco AX3000 offers TP-Link Home Shield, which provides cutting-edge network and IoT protection. However, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System offers a straightforward shield of security that is free for 30 days. Therefore, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System is the winner in this category. When it comes to parental controls, both products offer 30-day free trials to promote healthy internet habits and foster responsibility. However, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System uses Netgear Smart Parental Controls, whereas TP-Link Deco AX3000 uses TP-Link Home Shield. Both are robust in their features, but Netgear Smart Parental Controls is easier to use and provides better control. Therefore, Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System is the winner in this category. After analyzing each category, we can conclude that both products have their strengths, but Netgear Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi System is the overall winner due to its better performance, higher coverage, more straightforward security, and user-friendly parental controls. However, it's worth noting that TP-Link Deco AX3000's Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Wi-Fi and greater number of gigabit ports are impressive. That's all for today's video. Hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.